Hello everyone, welcome to Microcare Academy. In this video, we will demystify the concept of hoisting, how variable declarations and function declarations are hoisted to the top of the scope, and show you how it works in practice. Hoisting is a fundamental mechanism in JavaScript that can sometimes lead to unexpected behavior if not fully understood. Hoisting is a JavaScript mechanism that allows the variable and function declarations to be moved to the top of their containing scope during the compilation phase before the code is actually executed. Let's see an example. In this example, the variable message is declared and initialize the value hello hoisting. However, before the initialization, we try to log the value of the message to the console. During the compilation phase, the JavaScript engine moves the variable to the top of the current scope, but the assignment or initialization remains in the original position. Therefore, when console.log statement is executed, message exists but does not have a value yet, hence the output undefined. Alright, now let's dive into Visual Studio Code and see it in action. But before we proceed, make sure that you have Node.js installed on your system. Hoisting only moves the declaration but not the initialization. Hoisting applies to the variables declared with var keyword but not to let or const.